Okay, so let's say you've made this beautiful newsletter and you share it with a view only link, and you come over here, it looks beautiful on a computer, it looks beautiful on an iPhone, you have clickable links, beautiful. However, you have a client that is an Android user and they have their settings to large font, and they send you this garbled mess, and it does not look beautiful. And the only way for them to fix it is to change their settings to normal size font. But there is a way for us to fix it to make it look good for everybody. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you go back to your newsletter, we're going to save it, download it as a PNG, which I already did, and then I saved it over to my desktop. So then I'm going to go over here to my new document, and I just did newsletter size, but whatever size your document is, and then you upload the PNGs that you downloaded. And then you put, page one on page one, and then you put page two on page two. So obviously, we cannot click on any of these links right now. So it wouldn't work this way. So the other thing that you have to do is come back to your workable actual newsletter, and we're going to copy all of this and we're going to paste it onto our PNG. Now, of course, that looks terrible because it's double everything. So what you're going to do is make the transparency down to 1. It would be great if we could do 0, but you won't see it at 1 anyways, but you can't do it at 0. The links just won't click if you do 0. So it has to be 1. So now the links to click are over top of the PNG. And then you do the same thing with the second page. And then it will look like normal to the person with an Android. And everybody, it will just look like it should to everybody that opens it. So, and we can test it out by sharing a view only link. And you're able to click everything and it will look good to Android users. Thank you.